How to post anonymously on a Facebook group as a member. What is up everyone? Welcome back to another channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily post anonymously on a Facebook group as a member. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now from here, you want to access the groups that you're in so that you can post on it. For that, head over to the menu section at the top right, and here on your shortcuts, you'll find your groups. So a list of all of your groups that you're a member in will show up right here, and you can just choose the group that you want to post on. And here, if you want to post something or write something, you usually tap on this. Or as you can see here, you can also directly post anonymously. So I'm just going to tap on write a post, and right on top you will see this post anonymously toggle. You just want to turn it on. So what it does is anonymous posts published to this group do not include your name or your profile photo. However, admins, moderators, and Facebook system can see your name and profile photo. Details you include in the anonymous post could reveal your identity. So to protect, they have turned off some options as well. So you can create a public post right here. So go ahead and tap on something that you want to post, and then simply go ahead and toggle this on and tap on got it. Now as you can see here, you will be shown as an anonymous participant, and none of the members will be able to see your profile except the moderators and the admins of the group. Now just tap on post, and as you can see here, it will show you something like anonymous participant, and no one will be able to see your profile. That's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.